Hey garden friends! So I am just coming in here with a voiceover because I totally forgot to film an intro for this video and I'm so mad at myself. But either way, I just wanted to jump in here and tell you guys kind of what this video was about and what you can expect to see. So in this video I am just planting up my garden bed that I established a couple of weeks ago. So if you guys haven't seen that video and you'd like some tips on how to establish a new garden bed, I'll go ahead and card that here. But in this video I'm just showing you what plants that I chose to put in this bed, and you guys, I'm so excited. I was able to do all of this for under $60. How amazing is that? I'm so happy with it. I think it turned out amazing and I can't wait to see it kind of going forward into the season and share that process with you guys. So I hope this gives you some inspiration on how you guys can accomplish a really full and good looking garden bed on a budget. So I hope you guys like it, and let's go ahead and get to the video. Hey garden friends, good morning. So it's a beautiful Saturday morning and I am out here and I'm about to finish up planting the new garden bed that I established a couple of weeks ago, or that you guys saw a couple of weeks ago. So I'm super excited to get this project done, and I have some really cool all clearance plants. I'm pretty sure I take it back. I have one or two that were not clearance plants. Only one plant in this whole garden bed was not clearance plant. So I probably should try to calculate how much I think that everything costs to do this bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to estimate how much this garden bed cost me and put it up on the screen so that you guys can kind of have an idea of how much this amount of plants costs, because I feel like I always like to know that. I feel like nobody talks about costs of like plants and gardening. So anyway, let's go ahead and let's get some plants into the ground. Okay guys, we are back for round 2, and I just was not super happy with how it was looking. I wanted to fill it up a little bit more because I'm definitely going for that cottage garden aesthetic, where everything's kind of spilling out and really full, which I know a lot of times takes a lot of plants that reseed themselves, and it takes years to get to that full point, but I'm really happy with how this is looking just laid out. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put these guys in the ground. So I've got some zinnias over here, and I've got a little pathetic looking sunflower right here. He actually got stepped on by my pupper and got broken, and I think something's eating him. I'm honestly not even sure that this is going to make it, but I'm going to clip off everything that is really bad, like these 2 stems, and I'm going to try to keep him watered and just see what happens. And if all else fails, I'll pull him out and put something in his place. I've also got some little bang Coreopsis from Monrovia, so I'm excited about that because I think that's going to look so pretty, and it blooms until fall. This one that I featured in my haul is not looking good. Honestly, I'm not even sure this guy is going to make it. I've kept him watered, but not too watered. I've sprayed him, and honestly, I just wonder if maybe he's not going to do well, but I'm going to put him in the ground and just see what happens because you never know. So yeah, that's what I have laid out. I might rearrange a couple of things. So I'm going to put things into the ground and we're going to see how it looks.
Life is harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our love tonight. Cause I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like a movie, my love. Yeah, when I wake up, I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart. Killing time, we got nowhere to be. You're sending messages I can't ignore. No contemplating.
Okay guys, sorry, it is so bright out here, but I wanted to show you guys, I finally finished planting everything up, so I wanted to show you guys what I have done and what it looks like the final product before I get everything watered in. Okay, so sorry for the harsh light or any background noise. It is a Saturday and people are starting to emerge and come out, and of course it's the morning, so that's why the light is a little bit harsh, but I wanted to show you guys anyway. So down on this side I have a little, oh my gosh, I want to call this a gardenia. That's so stupid. A sunset coral geranium. Over here I have some verbena, some red eye verbena, and then I have some here too that's more of a trailing habit, but I just stuck those in here because I think this kind of vibe is gonna be kind of my jewel garden vibe, kind of like Monty Dawn, because this is where all of my brightly colored stuff is. So I'm really excited. I think this is gonna be so gorgeous for fall. I'm so freaking excited. And then I have some zinnias planted right here. So one there, and then there. And then we also have some rudbeckia here at the front. This is the first time you guys have seen this because this was actually supposed to be part of my clearance haul, but I planted it before I filmed that. So, and then we have a little bit of salvia here in the back. So that's going to be a nice deep purple. And I stuck my little poor stressed sunflower here in the back. So hopefully I'll be able to revive him. We'll see how he does. I'm going to give him some TLC. I have a couple plants that need some TLC in this bed. And then I've got some sedum right here, and then another zinnia, 3 little bang Coreopsis, and this one, little tiny Tim over here, doesn't look so good, but I went ahead and stuck him in the ground anyway, so we'll see what happens with him. I've got some more salvia, and this one is actually starting to bloom, which I'm super excited about. He has definitely gotten bigger, if you guys noticed from the first couple of clips, because I did these on 2 separate days. I have some white coneflower right here. This is my red twig dogwood that I potted up, and I put him into a little pot. Some more rudbeckia, then some of that dragon's beard, something like that. I will go ahead and I'll throw up the name on the screen, and he's starting to flush out with a second round of blooms. So hopefully here soon he will look a little bit better. And then we've got some salvia there, and then over here I have some more geranium sunset coral that I need to pot up, but I ran out of potting mix, so I need to go pick some up. And then of course the sky pencil holly that I got from my friend's house when I redid her bed, and he looks great, especially considering that he sat in a actual trash bag for like a week. So I'm super proud of him for doing well, and it even looks like, nothing has died on him or anything, so I'm super happy about that. Okay, so total effect right here. So I'm super happy with how this turned out. So that's our total effect. We've got a little bit more space for things up here, but that's okay. I'm confident that I will not have the restraint to not buy more plants, so I'll probably fill that in with some more stuff here soon. But I'm really happy with how the bottom half is looking, and I think it's gonna be perfect for like peak summer and going into fall. Just those colors, the orange and the hot pink and the red. Ugh. So I'm super excited about that. So yeah, that is it for today. I'm super excited that I finished this garden bed. It literally took me like 2 weeks to finally get all of the plants into the ground. So I'm super happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. It helps my channel out so much just to be able to expand our garden community and meet more garden friends. But otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.